What are smart lights?
Smart lights are LED bulbs or fixtures that connect to your home's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can control them using a smartphone, voice assistant, or automation routines. They offer features like scheduling, color changes, and dimming. Smart lighting can save energy, make your home more convenient, and enhance security by letting you control your lights from anywhere.
What do you need to get started?
To set up smart lighting, you'll need compatible smart bulbs or switches, a reliable Wi-Fi network, and a smartphone or tablet. Some brands may require a hub for advanced features, but many newer models connect directly to Wi-Fi. Choose bulbs that work with your preferred voice assistant, such as Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri, for easier control.
How do you install smart lights?
First, replace your regular bulbs with smart bulbs, screwing them in like any standard bulb. Power them on. If you're using smart switches, turn off the power at the breaker before replacement and follow installation instructions carefully. Once installed, download the brand's app and follow the prompts to connect each device to your Wi-Fi network.
How do you set up control and automation?
Using the app, you can group lights by room, set brightness, change colors, and create schedules. For automation, set routines like turning lights on at sunset or when you arrive home. Pair the system with voice assistants to control your lights hands-free using simple commands. Explore preset scenes for relaxing, working, or entertaining.
What are common troubleshooting tips?
If a smart light won't connect, ensure it's compatible with your Wi-Fi band, typically 2.4 GHz. Make sure your phone is on the same network during setup. If issues continue, try resetting the bulb and reconnecting. For dimming or flickering problems, check if your fixtures are compatible with smart bulbs, as some older dimmers may cause issues.
Are smart lights safe and worth the investment?
Smart lights are generally safe and use the same technology as other common home devices. They offer energy savings, flexible lighting options, and the convenience of controlling your home from anywhere. Costs have decreased over time, making smart lighting an affordable upgrade that can enhance comfort and security for most households.